Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, click on Refresh Rate after scrolling down, Screen Refresh Rate over here, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it, Dynamic, High or Standard. I will go with Standard, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!